Everyone, it's Epi here, and I'm doing the first video like this, and I'll be talking about Loose Screws. I had Kiwook stay over with me. If y'all don't know him, he goes by KJ Rocker.
Yo, this is juicy
HD.
fruit. If you want one, you can just have it, right?
He used to go by K-Stage, but King of Rock gave him that name. So he kept that name because, you know, it's dope. If some dope guy gave you a name, if some dope guy gave me a name, I'll keep it. It was Friday, right after school. Everybody got ready to go, and I had to go by my house to grab something. And on my way home, we saw like a flock of birds. You know, they're all circling around. And a person into bad omens and stuff. Yeah.
Hello? Damn it. Birds. Nice.
What the hell are they doing? Yo, fucking alien shit. They're flying like in a tornado. And we went straight to the jam. Jammed out. Prelims. Brandon. Whoa, no, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Everybody that we got like 3-4 teams. And all of our teams made it to top 32. Which is pretty dope. I think there were like, but then again, there were not, I think there were like 60 something teams, 30, 50, 60, so, you know, it's nothing to be proud of. But prelims is Brandon aka Illness, he killed his prelim set, be spinning 99s. I was and you know what I thought? I thought, yeah, top 32. Ooh, check it out. Do I look different? Yeah, it's not the shirt, it's my ear pieces. Baby, be quiet. I'm on camera. I'm disappointed with Loose Screws. Because Friday, they were supposed to have a rocking battle. But instead, they did top rock battle where like one person goes in the other. And Kay had to go. And he thought it was rocking, so we were pretty disappointed. But then again, the ATL rocking scene, I'm not going to say anything from... All I'm going to say is that Kay hates congos.
Yo! Fuck congas. I hate that sound because you can't rock on it, man. When you like, all you can do is shimmy. Yeah, like this, you can groove that shit, man. And you can do jerks too. Yo, watch out. But yo, what I'm trying to say is conga sucks because there's no breakdown part. You feel me? You feel me? So if you wanna rock, come get me.
China, with China's freshest apartment. Cute when to go out with Haejong, and he's with Isaac. Came back to China's apartment and just chilled for a bit with Miles. He has a broken toe. 3 broken toes. Right here. 3 broken toes. Right here. One right here. Right here. Right here. I think it's these 3. I'm not sure.
Oh damn.
Who's that? Is that Q-Con?
I got a lot of my songs.
That's Miles.
Oh yeah, you're. I'm about to own. Ow! Fuck!
Oh shit.
Mama Chan. Mama Chan. That's what's up, man. Oh my bad. Fuck.
My bad, bro.
Oh damn, man, I already bust out.
He kicked his foot again. So he was pretty pissed off about that. But yeah, that was cool. I think, and that day, when Kay was staying with me, we were watching Ip Man. in China. He had the Ip Man DVD, Ip Man 2. So we got back, and we were watching that on Blu-ray. So you know, KJ, he was getting pumped up as we went outside to the parking lot, and we were about to get into our cars to get ready to head out to the jam. I think it was like 6 o'clock. But KJ, he wanted to fight everybody. Alright.
Rex, come here. I wanna fight you, Rex.
We got into the jam, paid $5 per. Yeah, we made top 32. Brandon was killing it. Battle Doughboy. We only lost because his shoe came off. First prelim day, Rex battled with Troy. They did pretty good. They battled Havoc Horo, and they made it to top 32 next day. But Troy, for some reason, wasn't there. So Kiwook was just sitting on the side. We're like, Kiwook, just get in there. Go in there. After the jam, we went to Waffle House and we had fun. Tammy decided to come with us.
What?
Mine's gonna go on. And there was a cockroach. I can't believe it.
Oh my god, dude. Kill it. Kill it. Wow, cockroach at Waffle House. I don't want to eat no more. I'm full.
I'm still eating.
Yeah, food's pretty good.
This is going on Facebook too.
Somebody confused my crew for a crew in America's Best Dance Crew, and they wanted us to dance, and Miles like, alright, I'll break it down for you, and he was dancing like this. It's a way longer, more detailed, and too bad I don't have footage of it, because for some strange reason I had the camera with me because I recorded the cockroach, but I didn't record Miles. I don't know why. I don't remember why. Maybe I was too full. I don't know, but you missed out. But just imagine this. But way longer and more crazier. Me, Brandon, and Rex decided to come back home. Rex is his real name if y'all didn't know. Ninja Nate, T2, Kiwook, and Andrew decided to stay another night. Yeah, we had fun. Peace out, Battle Instincts.
안녕. 나 이름은 안주야. 핸드폰 번호가 루저래.